there, I'm Matthew, one of the system engineers at NBT, and today I'm just going to quickly show you one of the possible fixes for an internet issue, be it on your laptop or your desktop when you're using Wi-Fi. If you come and look at my screen right now, and in the bottom left, if you just click on here and type in Device Manager, you'll be met with this icon over here, Device Manager. If you open that up, you'll be met with this menu here, and what you're looking for is network adapters. If you open that and expand on that, you'll be met with a bunch of icons down here. This will be different depending on the machine you're using, but essentially what you're looking for is something that says wireless adapter. You may have it as an Intel wireless adapter. Highlight it and just right click on it. You'll click on the uninstall icon down, or uninstall option down here. Once again, hit uninstall. I'm not going to, just simply because I'm not having any issues right now. But once it's uninstalled, simply reboot your machine. Now what that will do is once it's rebooted, it will install that driver back onto your machine with default settings. And for most issues, this will just resolve your internet issue. You should at that point be able to connect to the internet going forward. However, if you have any issues with that after doing that, then by all means, please contact NBT. We're here to help. And one of our engineers will come and assist that issue with you and get that resolved for you. Thanks for watching.